One of the first and best-known cryptocurrency Pi networks has the greatest institutional support of any coin to date. What might the price of Pi coin be in the future once it is caught up to the cryptocurrency market? Will the Pi network reach the $1 threshold by the end of 2023? Let's first take a look at Pi network value and market position before moving on. How realistic are these notions, though? If you've ever pondered whether to invest in Pi coin, keep watching this video. Or, will Pi network ever outperform Bitcoin in value? We'll examine some of the most popular Pi network predictions to determine the potential value of the cryptocurrency between 2023 and 2025. If you're very interested in this, be sure to watch the video till the very end to find out. Welcome to our channel, where we discuss the most recent Pi network news, as well as cryptocurrency news in general. If you're watching our videos for the first time, we'd like to extend a special greeting to you. Please click the notify button so you won't miss another video. And also, we're announcing a 200 Pi coin prize on this channel. All you need to do to be eligible to win is to like and subscribe to the video, and the winner will be announced by the end of the month. Its name is frequently used to refer to both its native currency and payment system. Technically speaking, the coin is well known all over the world, and its cryptocurrency is known simply as Pi. It is frequently just listed as Pi on exchanges like Huobi and XT.com. For now, no one knows the maximum supply of Pi coins. The maximum supply of Pi provides the asset a supply and demand ratio comparable to that of Bitcoin, albeit it will take a lot longer for it to be seen as scarce because of its significantly greater supply. Rival cryptocurrencies to the Pi network include Core DAO, which is finally launched, and this is also what makes a lot of Pi network pioneers wonder when will Pi network be launched into the Mainnet. Well, no one knows for now. It may be argued that established payment companies rather than other cryptocurrencies are Pi actual competitors. Examining Pi network historical performance, 2023 saw the initial launch of Pi, which functions similarly to Ethereum, ETH. Let's look at the price history of a Pi and how the price of the Pi has changed in the past, as it is one of the most crucial steps to take if you want to invest sensibly. What was the first price forecast of the Pi network? CoinMarketCap began keeping tabs on the price of Pi, and the price of Pi is about $84. What has Pi's highest value ever been? On the Huobi exchange, the price of the Pi is over $100. Pi network reached an all-time high of over $150. It's important to know that all this price is not official as it based on predictions, and also all these exchanges that do launch Pi network into their exchange have not gotten any approval from the Pi network core team, but the price we are seeing is something that makes we all the Pi network pioneers very happy, as this is what we all dream of. If you think the price will be more than that, please drop yours in the comments section of the video. And if it's okay for you, please drop Pi to the moon in the comments section of the video. The price of the Pi network will also fluctuate significantly, so you should not expect that the price will be stable. Although looking at the Pi network from now, it might not appear that way, the Pi will be a highly volatile asset, and this will be due to massive buying and selling of the coin when its final launch. For many investors, the current focus of interest in Pi price predictions is the Pi price. The general advice is to purchase. The price performance of Pi is important to notice since, despite generally following the market, and more specifically Bitcoin, it struggled to garner the attention it deserved during the most recent bull. In addition to examining previous Pi network prices, it's critical to pinpoint the crucial variables. Things can have an impact on its pricing afterward. This will make it simpler for you to estimate the future of cryptocurrencies based on current market patterns and determine whether or not to invest in the Pi network. Although the incident hasn't yet had a particularly catastrophic impact on the price of Pi, investors might expect to see a price drop when the coin is finally listed on an exchange due to a massive sale of the coin, and also this will be a very good chance for an investor to lock down on the coin as a cryptocurrency for over 5 years. The introduction of the new cryptocurrency is anticipated to have an impact on the market price of practically all cryptocurrencies. However, as we have explained in this video, many experts think that the Pi network is better equipped to withstand rigorous government interference. Therefore, new rules may increase investor uncertainty and depress the price of traditional cryptocurrencies while driving up the price of the Pi. The price of cryptocurrencies can be heavily manipulated when so-called whale bots are present on cryptocurrency exchanges. Whale bots are powerful holders that operate programs that automatically execute deals, frequently on a vast array of various platforms and assets at once. This leads to artificially induced volatility, which in turn affects the up or down movement of cryptocurrency prices. The likelihood of a price increase is increased by the higher the demand and the smaller the supply for any given cryptocurrency. In contrast to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Pi network value is closely regulated by its parent firm. In order to manage the price, the corporation now possesses more than half of all Pi tokens. The market would be flooded with fresh tokens if Pi network pioneers were to immediately sell these off, which would have a significant impact on the price. Liquid supplier, a key component of digital transformation, is the largest buzzword currently used in the finance industry. A digital transformation leader has been selected by more than one-third, 35%, of significant UK organizations, underscoring the growing significance of this topic, according to data gathered. The Pi network might hit $1 when it's launched. The big question on everyone's mind right now is whether or not Pi network will reach the $1 threshold when it's launched into the Mainnet. Please remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel so you can be the first to learn about new developments involving the Pi network. We have separated the most recent Pi network price prediction into short-term and long-term segments to make it easier to understand. In light of our study in the brief specifically, the average price of Pi is $10, and the highest price that might be expected is $50. Additionally, based on our analysis of the long run, we anticipate that the average price of Pi in 2025 will be $70, and the greatest price achievable will be $100. Experts concur that the likelihood of Pi reaching $5 is rather high. Crypto experts predict that the value of the Pi will rise over the short term, reaching a potential high of $5 in 2023. When it comes to cryptocurrency trading, there are numerous ways to develop virtually unlimited prospects. Many different types of physical assets have been converted into digital assets in the 21st century. The market for cryptocurrencies has grown much more lately, with many coins outperforming earlier predictions. For instance, the value and notoriety of Bitcoin have consistently increased. Ethereum and Ripple are a couple of other well-known coins. Now that cryptocurrency traders are familiar with this new market, everyone wants to invest. Particularly Pi is expected to appreciate in value. Therefore, there are two extreme scenarios for Pi in 2023 and an unlimited number of grayscale possibilities in between. According to Ware, it is very plausible that Pi network price might soar to $500 or more in 2027 if the legal chips start to fall. This is just my opinion. It is not financial advice. Investors should be cautious because the Pi network has not been launched into the Mainnet yet. We have reached the conclusion of this video. If you found it enjoyable, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and press the notification bell. So make sure you don't miss any of our material. See you tomorrow as we discuss the most recent news that affects the entire community.